Hi everybody, I'm Joe and I'm your computer programming and math instructor from Columbia College here. So I'm introducing myself in Minecraft because we're having an online semester because of this really dumb plague. Yes, this is more or less what I look like. I am usually the guy on a unicycle in a pink shirt with a big dumb belt buckle. That's who I am. I look forward to meeting all of you guys. And I just want to give you a couple of words on what the course is about to start with. So this course is Programming and Methodologies 1, which is basically a Python class. Oh, I need my visual aid. So this was the most computer science thing I did today. And it took me an embarrassingly long time to get this sick Python visual made out of TNT here. So I just want to spend a second talking about what I expect you guys to be able to do with code. Right now, I expect for you to have basically no experience with computer programming whatsoever. We will get better. If you have experience in another language, that is awesome. If you have experience in Python, that's also awesome. But I don't need you to have either of those things. If you don't have a ton of math, you should give me a quick chat about what your math background is, but we can make do without that too. The biggest thing that we need is this disposition about problem solving. So getting this to work took me most of the day. Like, no lie. Getting computer science stuff to work sometimes takes a really long time. But the cool thing is that you can accomplish almost anything a computer can do with a sufficient amount of perseverance and, well, yeah, some basic skills. So this class is to get you that basic skill, that set of basic skills. And we're going to do that by doing little things in the computer. So you're going to write little bits of code from the very beginning. You don't necessarily have to understand exactly what those bits of code are doing all the time, but we're going to get there. So in the interests of getting there, I need you to know that there's going to be a bunch of supplemental materials for the course, and I don't expect you to read them all. I don't expect you to do every project to the extent that that some of the other students might do it. So when I give projects, I almost always give a reach goal and a basic goal. Oops, that's not helpful. Let's clear up the weather here. Okay, so when I give those reach goals, you don't have to do them. If I give a reach goal, it's really just a bonus that would be rad. That said, if you want to help other people get those goals done, that would be fantastic. Mostly what we're doing is giving that okay, it's not working yet. It's the yet in that's important, because most of the time you don't write code that works right off the bat. This took me probably 6 hours and a mess of error messages. I really almost gave up on it at least once. I almost rage deleted the entire project at least twice. So one of the things that we can take away from this, and one of the things I hope you get out of this course, is going to be that okay, this is doable. I just have to set it down and walk away for a second, and that's fine. Don't rage delete things. When you need help, ask me. That's what I'm here for. Ask the other students. They're usually pretty good. Ask in the Discord. If you DM me, your answer will be slower than if you ask in the Discord. Do not be embarrassed to ask in the Discord. Everybody's going to have a question sometime through the course. And everybody's going to have at least one thing that they post in the Discord, and then they go, oh, that was dumb. And then they figure out the answer. And that's fine. It happens to all of us. It's not really a problem. So those are the things I want to ask from you guys, is that this course is primarily about problem solving and that you don't give up. There are going to be a bunch of specific syntaxes and issues, but one of the reasons that I picked Python is that it's pretty easy to pick up the computer doing part. And so the rest of it is going to be thinking about what data structure do I need here, or how am I going to get this to work, rather than the complexities of coding the computer specifically. So make sure you ask questions. I picked Python because people had asked for it, and also because it's my favorite language to write in. And it's my favorite language to write in because it's quick. It's super fast. The Python part of getting this giant thing to generate behind me took me about 10 minutes. The Minecraft part of it took me a ton longer. So, without further ado, let's light this candle. Oh god, that is satisfying. I really wish it were a little bit quicker. It's really pretty. All of these TNT blocks have actually exploded. They're just waiting to load. And if you want to know how I did this, I didn't make a video of it because it was too frustrating, but I can definitely share some thoughts. Oh, and just because it's fun, let's spawn that thing again. It'll probably just start exploding. Too satisfying. Alright guys, that's the moral of the story. Just keep trying. This really did take me like 6 friggin' hours, but I learned a ton, and now I have a Minecraft server that I can run Python commands in. Or at least I have a way to get Python generated commands in here. God, that is really fun. I need to get the autocomplete working for it. And that is a frame rate of 0, basically. Well, I hope you guys have as much fun in this course as I have teaching it. It's really a tremendous class. That said, there's a bunch of videos about how to get things going. Some of them are frustrating. If you get frustrated at the beginning here, give me a shout. It happens. Getting the initial learning curve on Python is really the biggest part. Just like getting the compiler to work is tough. So like I said, if you get hung up, just give me a shout in the Discord.